Do you ever think, what's the best review app for Shopify? Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you all about reviews and review apps on Shopify. All right, so the first way to leave reviews on your website is you have no reviews at all. I highly recommend not having no reviews, but if you're starting out, sometimes having one review and 200 products, it doesn't look really good. So if you're starting out and you don't want to have any reviews on your website, that's totally fine. Maybe start to gather the reviews in the background. Out of the 100 clients that we've had, only 2 of them have no reviews that make large amounts of money. And like I said, I don't recommend not having any reviews on your website, but if you're starting out, start to gather them in the background. Maybe have a review app that I'm going to talk about in the future. And then once you have a few reviews, then publish them onto your website. The second way to have reviews on your website is you actually have a manual section block on your website. Now, a lot of themes have a section block called testimonials or reviews, where you can actually manually type in your reviews. A lot of people watching this probably are using Dawn theme. It doesn't actually have a section block for reviews, but what I normally do on Dawn theme is actually use this section block called multi-column, and you can actually edit this to look like reviews. So you can be like customer reviews, and then you can actually edit each block and have the review. So like, for example, their name here, and then thanks, great product, for example. So you could actually build out some reviews like this. You could put the emoji, the star emoji here if you wanted to, like that. So some people might do it like that. This is probably a good way to do it if you only have a handful of reviews. So similar to how I said in the first point about if you don't have many reviews or you only have a couple, you'd actually have a manual section block where you put it on the home page, the product page, stuff like that. So people see 2 or 3 reviews. This could build trust as well. The third way is to use a free app. Now there's 2 that I'm going to talk about, stamped product reviews and Judge Me here. I personally don't really like either of them, but they're a very good free option. So for example, stamped product here, you might have seen it on other websites, but it basically looks something like this on your product page. And one of the reasons I don't really like it is because it is free for the first 50 orders a month, and then it goes to $23 a month. And I personally think there's a better app than this. But it's a very good review app when you're starting out. You're not getting 50 reviews a month. You can use this. The great thing about all the popular review apps as well is if you start out with one and then you upgrade to a paid one, you can actually import all your reviews into the next app very easily. The other one that's free is this Judge Me one here as well. You might have seen this on websites as well. It looks something similar to this. This one is also free as well, and you can actually leave photo reviews on this one as well. I personally just don't really like the feel of it. I haven't used it that much. The review app I'm going to talk about later, I've used quite a lot. So I don't really have much personal experience with this, but we have used it on a couple of websites where they didn't want to use a paid app. But yeah, it's basically, I don't really like the look of it, but it's a good app also if you want a free option. The fourth way is you can actually use apps like this that pull Google reviews, Facebook reviews, Etsy, Yelp, all different stuff like that straight to your website. So for example, if you have a lot of Google reviews, but you don't have many product reviews, this app is awesome. Same with like Facebook reviews, stuff like that. So basically, when someone places an order, it will actually email the customer after X amount of days, and it'll ask them to leave like a Google review, Facebook review, all that sort of stuff in the email. So it can really boost up your Google reviews and Facebook reviews, all that sort of stuff. Really like this. I've actually met some of the staff and stuff like that. Legends of a company. It starts out free as well. 30 emails a month, so 30 orders a month. Then it goes to $9.99 USD for up to 150, which I think is pretty good value, especially if you want to really build up your Google reviews and your Facebook reviews. The fifth one is using a paid review app straight out of the gate. This app has generated millions of dollars for our clients. This is called Luke's Reviews. It actually has a 14-day free trial, and the link in the description will actually have an extended 30-day free trial. And if you have any dramas setting it up on your website, just shoot me an email and one of our team will do it for you as well. No dramas at all. As long as you use our link to sign up, we get a small commission, like a couple of dollars sort of thing, but we're happy to help if you do that. The good thing about this, well, I guess the bad thing compared to the other ones is that this starts out at $9.99 USD a month, but people can leave photo reviews. It's got a really good email sequence. And when you get up to the higher tiers, people can actually leave video reviews. We use this app on probably 200 or 300 websites we've built, and it's generated millions and millions of dollars for our clients. The reason it does this is because it automatically emails the customer after X amount of days, asks them to leave a photo review, a normal review. You can give them a discount to leave a photo review. So imagine on your product pages, someone goes there and there's like 20 photo reviews of someone wearing your product or something like that. So here's a good example. See how there's some photo reviews and stuff here. Really builds trust. You can really change all the colors. You can change up the email that goes out. There's lots of flexibility. And I know that Luke's Reviews is updating their app, adding heaps more features to make it better for you and your customers sort of thing. So that's why I highly recommend this. We've been in business for nearly 6 years now. And this app is the only app that stood the test of time. It's the only app that I've used from day one and continue to still recommend and use now. I really love it. I highly recommend it. Like I said, if you use our link, we'll even set it up for free for you if you want. Just shoot me a message in the comments. Hopefully you know all about review apps now. Leave me a comment below what review app you're using or you're planning to use. I'd love to know in the comments. If you want a free audit of your website, check out the link below. Our company will do a free video review of your website, giving you some tips and suggestions. And if you use our link to Luke's Reviews, we'll actually set it up for free for you if you want. Just shoot us an email after you download Luke's Reviews. Check out the videos about themes and all different stuff like that on our channel, and talk to you soon.